Imagine embarking on the journey of a lifetime in a motorhome that's not just a vehicle, but a luxurious mobile mansion. The sleek, futuristic design of this motorhome turns heads with its cutting-edge aesthetic and powerful presence. Its six-wheeled base, accompanied by sharp curves and expansive glass windows, offers a glimpse into a new era of mobility, an era where comfort, sophistication, and power collide. The aerodynamic body, with its smooth metallic finish, is a masterpiece of modern engineering, built for those who desire both function and beauty as they cruise across the open road. As we step inside, the motorhome opens up to reveal a world of extraordinary design and functionality. The interior doesn't just speak luxury, it whispers it, with the gentle hum of innovation at every turn. The first room you encounter is the luxurious bedroom. With its soft ivory tones contrasted by sleek, dark accents, the space exudes tranquility. The low, padded bed is surrounded by warm ambient lighting, which highlights the rich textures of the upholstery and polished wood elements. Large windows let you bask in the natural light or gaze out at the changing landscapes. The minimalist decor allows you to truly relax and unwind after a long journey, turning every night on the road into a restful retreat. Moving on, the dressing area seamlessly flows from the bedroom. Designed with compact luxury in mind, it offers an efficient yet stunning layout. The matte charcoal cabinetry is complemented by gold accents, creating a sleek and sophisticated aesthetic. The built-in lighting adds an extra layer of refinement, illuminating every detail of this space. A full-length mirror and hidden storage provide the functionality needed for modern living, making this area both practical and visually appealing. Next, let's explore the kitchen, an elegant blend of form and function. The dark, sophisticated countertops and cabinetry are beautifully accented by soft gold lighting that reflects off the polished surfaces. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a high-end refrigerator, a double sink, and an advanced cooking range. The layout is open, with a spacious counter that can also be used as a bar area, perfect for entertaining or enjoying a quiet meal as you travel. Above, a large window offers a panoramic view of the surroundings while you cook, making even the simplest meal feel like an experience. The lounge area feels like the heart of the motorhome. The sleek white leather seating creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere, perfect for both relaxation and socializing. The minimalist design flows smoothly, with curved lines and subtle lighting that enhance the feeling of openness. Whether you're watching a movie, enjoying a drink, or simply soaking in the view through expansive windows, the lounge offers a place for everything. The office area provides the ultimate in luxury for those who need to stay productive on the go. Featuring a sleek matte black desk with ivory accents, the space is both functional and stylish. A large, ergonomic chair ensures comfort, while built-in lighting enhances the workspace. The office is designed for those who need a quiet, private place to work while still enjoying the view. Whether it's answering emails or holding virtual meetings, this space lets you focus in comfort. Moving to the bathroom, you'll find a sanctuary of calm and luxury. With deep black marble walls and modern gold fixtures, the bathroom feels like a five-star spa. The spacious shower features sleek glass panels, while the large vanity mirror is surrounded by LED lighting. The luxurious materials and thoughtful design create an environment where you can rejuvenate, making this more than just a bathroom, it's an experience in itself. The indoor pool area offers a unique touch of luxury, complete with smooth curves and calming lighting. The pool's soft blue water reflects the ambient light that cascades from above, creating an atmosphere of relaxation and serenity. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or just as you relax in the warmth of the water, it's easy to forget that you're still on the move. This motorhome transforms the concept of travel, allowing you to relax and recharge as you glide effortlessly from one destination to the next. Taking in the view, this space feels like a personal spa on wheels. For those who enjoy staying active, the gym is equipped with state-of-the-art fitness equipment. A treadmill and an elliptical machine sit against a backdrop of sleek, clean lines. With ample space to stretch, work out, or simply maintain your fitness routine while on the road, this is the ultimate setup for a health-conscious traveler. The lighting is soft, accentuating the sleek design and creating an energizing environment. The cockpit is where you take control of this incredible mobile mansion. The cockpit is designed with futuristic technology, where everything you need is at your fingertips. The dashboard features advanced touchscreen controls for navigation, climate control, and entertainment, all arranged seamlessly in a cockpit that feels more like the bridge of a spaceship than a traditional vehicle. It's a perfect balance of comfort and high-tech precision, ensuring that every drive is as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Finally, let's talk about the cost. While specific pricing varies depending on customization and additional features, this motorhome is estimated to fall within the range of millions of dollars. Its luxury, versatility, and high-end amenities make it an investment for those who demand the best in life, whether they're on a road trip across the country or embarking on a luxurious weekend getaway. As you journey in this remarkable motorhome, every aspect has been meticulously designed to elevate your experience. From the spacious living areas to the intimate comforts of your private quarters, this is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're cruising through scenic landscapes or settling in for a night under the stars, this motorhome offers unparalleled freedom and luxury. It's not just about the destination, it's about how you get there. This motorhome redefines what it means to travel, making every moment on the road feel like an indulgence. With cutting-edge technology, ultra-luxurious finishes, and a design that caters to every need, it's the perfect way to enjoy the best that life has to offer while on the move. Don't just travel, experience the road like never before. Ready to take your adventure to the next level? The open road is calling, and this motorhome is waiting to take you on the journey of a lifetime.